In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from PayPal to TransferWise. To do this, you'll first need to connect your TransferWise bank details to your PayPal account so PayPal can send funds to that account. The process is straightforward and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening PayPal and going to the Money section. This is the area where PayPal keeps all of your balance, linked bank accounts, and transfer options in one place. If you're on desktop, you'll usually find this in the main account navigation. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before moving on. Next, click on Transfer Money. This opens the transfer flow and gives you options for moving money out of PayPal. If you're trying to send funds to your TransferWise account, this is the right place to begin because PayPal needs a destination account before it can complete the transfer. From there, select Link a Bank. This step is important because your TransferWise account needs to be added to PayPal as a bank account. If you haven't done this before, PayPal will prompt you to enter your bank information manually. Make sure you use the bank details provided inside your TransferWise account for the currency and region you want to receive funds in. It's a good idea to double check these details carefully because even a small mistake in account information can delay the transfer or cause it to fail. Now enter the required details. Depending on your location, PayPal may ask for information such as the account holder name, routing number, sort codes, IBAN, or account number. Use the exact information shown in your TransferWise account. Be careful to enter everything exactly as provided, including spacing or formatting where relevant. Accuracy matters here, especially when linking financial accounts. Once all the information has been filled in, click Link Your Bank. This submits the bank connection request and adds the TransferWise bank details to your PayPal account. After the bank is linked, PayPal may review or confirm the details before allowing transfers. So if you don't see it available immediately, give it a little time and check for any confirmation prompts inside your account. That's it. You've now linked your TransferWise bank details in PayPal, which is the key step to sending money from PayPal to TransferWise. Before transferring larger amounts, it can be smart to start with a small test transfer first, just to confirm everything is set up correctly.